Hello, everybody. Today is July 9th, and it was the fourth day of the Tyler Robinson hearings. So I'm going to give a brief overview of what transpired today. Day 4 of the Tyler Robinson hearing took place today, July 9th, 2026, and the courtroom focused almost entirely on the disputed taped interview of Lance Twiggs, Robinson's former roommate and then romantic partner. This session was the most contentious of the week, with both sides pushing hard on admissibility, redaction boundaries, and whether Twiggs' cooperation implied any form of immunity. The prosecution opened by reaffirming that Twiggs' interview is reliable hearsay, which is allowed under Utah's preliminary hearing standards. They emphasized that Twiggs' statements were voluntarily given, recorded by investigators, and supported by other evidence already logged into the case file. The prosecution clarified again that Twiggs has not been granted immunity, though he is cooperating with investigators. The defense challenged the interview aggressively. Their objectives centered on prejudicial sections of the recording, speculative statements made by Twiggs, personal relationship details. They argued, and that should be excluded. Concerns that Twiggs' cooperation may imply informal immunity, even if not formally granted at this time. They also argued that several segments of the recording lacked investigative relevance and could unfairly influence the preliminary hearing. The judge spent a significant portion of today's session reviewing the contested portions of the interview. After hearing arguments from both sides, the judge issued the key ruling of the day. The judge's ruling today on July 9th was the Twiggs interview is admissible for the preliminary hearing. Redactions will be applied to speculative statements, personal relationship contact, and any segments lacking investigative relevance. The prosecution may play the redacted version at the next hearing. The court accepts the prosecution's statement that Twiggs has no immunity agreement. This ruling shaped the remainder of the session. Following the ruling, both sides worked through the redaction list, confirming which segments will be removed and which will remain. No new witnesses were called today, and no additional evidence was introduced beyond the interview dispute. That was the focus of the entire day. The judge ended the session by ordering both sides to finalize the redacted audio and prepare it for presentation at the next scheduled hearing. The courtroom cleared shortly afterwards, marking the close of Day 4 on July 9th of 2026. The hearings will commence tomorrow, and we will see what comes of the tape and what's redacted, what is not redacted, and if there will be an immunity clause put in place. So that is all I have to report at this time. I hope you all have a great night. And for now, PI 56 is out.